Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get reward codes in Monopoly Go. Let's get started. So you're going to go to this page at www.robotcoupons.com. So once you reach the page, it's going to say robot coupons, and then there's going to be a search bar. So in that search bar, you are going to search up Monopoly Go. So right there, Monopoly Go free dice rolls. So you're going to select it. You're going to scroll down a bit, and then you can see there are different options there. So we have Monopoly Go reward code 100,000 free dice rolls. So we are going to use that one, for example. So go to the right side and then select show code. So it's going to hide the last few letters and numbers of the code. So you're going to go to the bottom there and then select unlock code. So then you just have to wait a bit. Once you're done, it'll say complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below to get your free dice and cash. Follow the unlock instructions below each app. It takes 30 seconds and this verifies you're not a robot. So you're going to have to complete 2 tasks. So there, finish a short survey, and then the other one is Blackjack 21. Download and install this app and then complete level 5 to unlock this content. So once you've completed 2 tasks, it's going to verify it. So you're going to go back to the website and then it should work. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.